Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Aurea and this is DIY with Aurea. Today I'm participating of an open playlist and it is called Mother's Day Ideas. I'm going to tell you about that a little later, but let me tell you what ideas I have today for Mother's Day. I have these two beautiful jars from Dollar Tree. I am not going to be doing much to it because they are beautiful just as is. I'm going to be putting Epsom salt in the inside and I am going to be gifting this to a dear friend of mine. I have these gemstone stickers and the only thing that I'm going to be doing is just putting these stickers right here in the bottle just to make it look glamorous. And I'm going to be doing the same thing to both of the bottles. So I am going to be putting one strip right here and then one strip right in the neck of the bottle. And of course, again, I'm going to be doing that to both of the bottles and this is going to be turning out so beautiful. Now I know that many of my subscribers love farm decor. If you don't like the glamorous look, you could always, wrap it around with either jute twine or maybe a pretty ribbon of your choice. The options are endless when it comes down to decorating. Today is part of an open playlist with Sunflower Tasha DIYs and I am co-hosting DIY with Aurea. I am so honored to be on the same playlist as her. She is so talented. I'm going to leave the link to her channel down in my description box along with a playlist. Please make sure to visit the playlist along with her channel and let her know that I sent you over. So now I'm putting these to the side and I'm going to go ahead and continue with this beautiful gift bag and it is in the form of a purse. But now this little plastic thing is what they use so they can hang it on the wall. I'm going to be removing it with a little bit of heat. I just want to make sure that the bag doesn't break on me. And we are going to continue with these beautiful glamorous gem stickers. I have these from Dollar Tree, of course, and they are in pink with little pearls in the inside. I'm just going to go ahead and put it right here, and they were not long enough, so I'm going to be adding 3 more of these gemstones right here just to make it look complete. I also have some stickers and they are in form of a pearl. I also purchased this at Dollar Tree a while ago. I'm not sure if they still have these, but I've had these for a while. And I'm going to be placing it right here, right where the button is at, right by the buckle. That is all that I'm going to be doing to this beautiful gift bag. Now I have a floral foam. I'm going to open the gift bag up and I'm going to start adding whatever flowers I think is going to look beautiful in the inside. But first I'm going to be placing that floral foam in there and then I'm going to just start filling it out with a whole bunch of beautiful pink and yellow flowers and some purple. And then here is the final review. Let me know what you think about these Mother's Day ideas. I bought this shallow box at a secondhand store. I took it home. I'm giving it a nice wipe down. I'm going to be removing the price tag. And also they had 70% off. So I paid approximately 60 cents plus the taxes. I am going to be giving it 3 to 4 coats with this ivory chalk paint. And if you are here for the first time, I love thrift flipping, garage sales, utilizing items from Dollar Tree and affordable stores. Join me for collaborations featuring seasonal farm decor and high-end inspiration. If you're into this, you've come to the right place. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and like. And now that it's completely dry, I came in with this beautiful construction paper. It's pink with gold butterflies. I am so in love with this. I'm measuring the inside of this shadow box, and then I'm just going to go ahead and cut it to size. Once this is cut to size, then I'm going to come in with the stick glue and I am going to adhere it, or I'm going to just go ahead and cover all the inside as much as possible so like that the construction paper could go ahead and adhere nicely. Once that is completely done, I went to a garage sale and I purchased so many wood dowels, and these are some of them. So I'm gonna go ahead and adhere it with some hot glue, and I'm gonna be putting one on each corner. Once that is done, then I have this metallic gold paint and I'm gonna be painting all 4 of them. I wanted to leave it the same color, but then I thought about it and I'm like, well, we got some butterflies and they are gold, so let's go ahead and paint it gold. So that's exactly what I did. But before I did that, I have these gold gemstones from Dollar Tree, of course, and I am going to be cutting strips of 2 and I'm going to be placing them on all 4 corners. And I just want to go ahead and remind you, this is part of an open playlist. Sunflower Tasha DIYs put this playlist together. She have invited me to be part of this playlist and I am so honored. She is a very talented creator. Please make sure to go ahead and visit her. I'll be leaving the link down to her channel in my description box along with a playlist. She loves farmhouse decor and I am sure that you are going to love it. For more inspiration, don't forget to visit the playlist down below. And as you can tell, I am placing these gemstones right here on the upper section of this beautiful tray. And again, guys, I'm adding these gemstones only because the person that I am going to be gifting this beautiful tray loves glam, just like I love glam. But if this is not in your alley, then you can always decorate it as you please. I mean, the options are endless. You could add maybe a nice ribbon, maybe even paint half and half, leave it as is, maybe add some jute twine to the handles. I mean, just use your imagination because I'm telling you, the options are endless. Now I have this gold acrylic paint and that's what I'm going to be using for these little legs, which are, you know, wood dowels. But look at how beautiful. I love this paint. I bought this at Dollar General, and when I bought it, I'm like, let me go ahead and try it out. But after I tried it out a couple of times, I'm like totally in love. I went back and I got me some more. And for you that are seeing this, isn't this beautiful? Look at how gorgeous this color is. I don't know, I'm just totally in love. I don't know, maybe I'm just goofy or whatnot. But I also have the silver metallic paint from the same brand, and I also purchased it at the Dollar General. And I also have a video, I'll leave it linked down below so you could see what I did with that acrylic silver paint in this case. And look at how gorgeous this is turning out. This is turning out absolutely beautiful. Leave me in the comment section and let me know if you would have left this like that natural color, or do you think that this is a good idea? I mean, I think it's a good idea. It matches because there's a lot of other gold stuff going on. And also leave me in the comment section, do you think that she is going to be liking this gift? I'm going to be gifting to her all the gifts on this video, and they do fit her home decor, so I am pretty sure that she is going to like them. But anyway, you let me know what you think in the comment section. Leave me your thoughts. And I am so in love with this little tray. I think this one is my best from the video, although I like the little purse and the little jars. I mean, I didn't do a lot to the jars, but I only elevated them. I gave it a little glam look. I think she is going to like it. And I also want to take the moment to thank every single subscriber and future subscribers. Guys, if you have not subscribed, I'm not sure what you're waiting for. Please consider subscribing and go ahead and hit that little red button. I mean, it will help my channel and I would love to have you as part of my family. And now let me show you through this final reveal. We are coming to the end of the video, and I am so thrilled that you guys decided to stay all the way into the end of my video. I am very honored to have every single one of you in my channel. And don't forget that if you have not subscribed, please consider subscribing. Don't forget that little red bell button, like that every time I upload a new video, you guys will be notified. Leave me in the comment section which is your favorite, and if you have enjoyed these DIYs, don't forget to leave me that big thumbs up. And just remember that leaving the big thumbs up, when you comment, when you subscribe, when you share the video, it truly does help my channel. So I encourage you to give me a little help by doing so. And here it is, guys. I'm going to be showing you how I decorated this beautiful trade, and I will see you in my next video, guys. Be safe and be blessed.